In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Bitcoin on the Binance mobile app and transfer the funds directly to your bank account. Whether you're looking to cash out some of your crypto investments or simply convert your digital assets into fiat money, using the Binance app makes the process straightforward and convenient. First, let's get started by opening the Binance mobile app. Once you've done that, log into your account using your credentials. If you're not logged in yet, you'll find the option to do so on the app's main screen. Make sure your account is secure by using a strong password and, if available, enable two-factor authentication for added security. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Trade tab, which is where all the buying and selling action takes place. Here you'll see an option labeled P2P, which stands for peer-to-peer. Tap on that to enter the P2P trading section. It's a marketplace where you can trade directly with other users, which is incredibly useful for getting competitive rates. Once you're in the P2P section, look for the sell option and select it. You're selling Bitcoin, so choose BTC from the list of available options. It's crucial at this point to make sure your settings are tailored to your needs, so set the currency to your local currency. This ensures that all transactions are done with amounts you're familiar with and that you can easily transfer to your local bank account. The next step involves filtering for buyers. You want someone who uses the same payment method as you do, most commonly a bank transfer. Use the filter options to sort through potential buyers and select those who offer bank transfer as their payment method. Now it's time to enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell. Once you've settled on the amount, you can tap on Sell BTC to proceed. Binance will then lock the amount of Bitcoin you chose for sale, ensuring that the transaction is secured and protected throughout the process. Following on from that, wait patiently for your buyer to send the agreed upon amount of money into your bank account. This step can vary in time, depending on the buyer and their payment method. Be sure to check your bank account to confirm that the funds have been received. Once the payment lands in your bank account, you'll need to go back into the app and tap Confirm Release. This step is crucial as it releases the Bitcoin to the buyer. It's important to only confirm once you've physically verified that the funds are in your account, as it completes the transaction and concludes the trade. And there you have it, a simple and efficient method to sell Bitcoin on the Binance mobile app and transfer the funds to your bank account. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.